Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's just jump right in. Now, if you've got a new iPhone number or you would just want to completely remove your phone number, say you have traveled internationally or you don't want people calling you anymore, it's easy to remove that phone number from your iPhone. Now we'll head into our settings here and we will scroll down and go into a couple different things. The first thing that we'll want to do is go into our message here, and then you can see right under iMessage it says send and receive, and it says two addresses. I'll tap on that, and here you want to uncheck your phone number, and it says remove number from iMessage and FaceTime. This will no longer be used for iMessage or FaceTime, so uncheck your phone number and make sure you check your Apple ID or email address instead. Now we'll go back out of here and we'll go into phone right above it, tap on phone, and you can see where it says my number. So tap on my number and you can delete this out and enter in a new phone number that will be used as a new phone number, or you can just hit save if you want to completely remove that phone number. So we've removed it from iMessage and FaceTime, and we've deleted it from the phone app on your iPhone. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any question in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe.